Today's tutorial will be actually very short. I'm gonna guide you on how to download and install GIT software. You need to go to your favorite browser and use it. Mine is Firefox. And then here on the search bar, I'll search GIT download. This process is going to be very easy and very short, maybe 3 minutes and I'll be done. So I'll actually put the link to this website on the description below, so make sure you check it out. So here's the page that you're supposed to download the GIT. There's the software for Mac OS, there's for Windows, and there is for Linux or Unix. It's now the GUI clients. For this one, I guess I'll do another tutorial so that I can explain the GUI. So mine is Windows. The latest version is 2.45.1. So I'm gonna click that button, download, and I'm going to choose the link based on your computer specs. So mine is, I'll just go with a standalone installer instead of the portable. So, and if you need documentation for GIT, you can check it here. I'll still link the same web address on the description below. The file is not big, it's about 64.7 MB and 30-bit. So I'll locate it in the Windows folder and then double click on it. You hit enter or double click on the software. So I'll run it, and then next you can choose where you are going to install the software. For me, I'll go with the default. Already exists. Okay, I had installed it previously, so I'll just use it that way. Here you can go with the default, nothing on special here. Because okay, if you want to add it on the desktop, fine. If you don't, for me, I'll go without it. And then next, yes, you can choose to go with this one, but I'll go with the default. The others I'll explain them. For the branch, it's talking about the branch, so I'll just go with the default main. Use Git from Git bash only. Here I would recommend you go with this Git from command line. Here you can access Git using the CMD, Windows CMD. But if you go with this, you can only use the Git bash, and I'll explain in the next video what Git bash and CMD is and what is the difference. So just go with the default. Use bundled. I'll use the bundled SSH default. Nothing special here. There's nothing that is significant that can make any impact on the functionality of Git. So Minty, use Windows console. I just go with the default. Fast forward, GRBase, Git pull. Okay, I'll go with the default. All of this you just need to go with the default. Nothing, just install it. So it will continue to install and after it, I guess I'll fast forward the video until it is complete. So it's done. I'll just launch git bash. Okay, I really will not need to launch git bash since I'll use the cmd. So I guess it's done. Okay, here's the notes for git, introduction, licenses, things, all those. If you need to just check the documentation of each version, you can check it out here on this website. It comes default with the software, actually HTML, you can see that. Anyway, I'm gonna check if the git is installed in my computer. So I'll need to open cmd. Just hit Windows and then you search cmd command prompt. After you open your command prompt, you need to input this command. You type git --version and then hit the enter button. Find that it is bringing this output, git version 2.4.5. If it brings something like this, it means that you have not installed git is not installed in your computer. Now, aside from that, you want to make sure that git is in the environment variables for Windows. Maybe you have installed the git software correctly and it is not bringing this such output. What you will need to do is that you need to go to your PC, then go to drive C, or where you have installed your git. You will find the program files. This is where mostly softwares are found. You will locate git and then you'll go to bin and then you will click on this space. I'll just zoom in. I'll click on this space and it will bring that path highlighted in the blue background. I'll copy it, and then this is what you need to do. Go to this start button for Windows and then search for environment variables. Click on it and then here it is. You need to click on this environment variables and then you'll come here. Here you need to add new. Click on new. I'll call it git in caps, and then paste the path that I've just copied and I just say OK, and then OK. Now I'll just explain the function of that, whatever I've done. Putting a path in our environment variables helps you to access git using the command prompt. And let's now confirm that git has been installed. So I'll search cmd, and then after I've done that, you need to retype again the command git --version, then hit enter. It will bring you such output. This number might differ from yours because I've downloaded another version of git, but it will bring you to this to such output. So that's today's tutorial. I know it's long, but I've comprehensively explained on how to go about installing Git, and if you encounter any error, you know how to add the path to the environment variables for Windows. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm going and I'm advancing to Git more and more. So next video I'll be covering on the basic commands and start our first project. So see you on the next one.